Let's create. The lamb you're going to cut, okay? Doesn't matter what type of cut of meat you have, but make sure you cut it to manageable size. Kind of taking it out this bone here. Do the same with other piece. See? I got some chicken thighs. I'm going to cut a little bit. 2 pieces. This one has bone and fat. If I can't get the fat out, that's fine. It's up to you. It's the chicken, huh? So we're going to do this North African inspired lamb and chicken stew with couscous. So I have a pot here, medium high, or a couple of notches above medium. Little bit of extra virgin olive oil. So what I'm going to do first, I'm going to add this lamb that I cut already. And I'm going to add the chicken. That chicken and that lamb, all those flavors mixed, are going to elevate the taste of this dish. Some fat escape. I'm going to take it out. I don't want fat, chicken fat. Now you didn't have to cut the chicken, but I did. Make it more manageable. And let's cook this for about 3, maybe 4 minutes, okay? Three or 4 minutes later, you can get the meat out if you want to, or you can move it to the side. And then what you're going to do now, add your onion. Depending on the amount you cook, and you can have half an onion chopped. You can also use maybe 1/4 of an onion. You're going to saute this baby on the side. Then you're going to add about 3 or 4 teeth of garlic minced. Move it around so it doesn't burn. I have some harissa sauce that I prepare, the North African spicy. This is spicy, by the way. Sauce, you can buy it, but you can also prepare. I'm going to have a link in the description to show you how to prepare this sauce. You can go with a teaspoon. I'm going to go with about half a tablespoon. This stuff is spicy. Mix things around. See? I'm going to add a couple of tomatoes that I cut. Fresh tomatoes. You can mixing stuff around. Oh my goodness. And I'm going to let this go like this for about maybe 4 minutes. About 3 minutes later, what I'm going to do, I'm going to add a little bit of salt now. Mix this up. Let's mix things around, stir. Going to add a couple cups of water. I'm not going to use stock. Yeah, 2 cups might be sufficient. Let me increase the heat. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to give this a taste. Because I want to make sure it's good and salt. Let me add a tiny bit more. Spicy. Oh my goodness, this stuff is spicy. But good type of spicy. Let me add some of the carrots now, which I peeled and I cut. Let me cook this baby. I'm going to add some saffron. Just a few strings. Give it that nice color. And I'm going to let it simmer a little bit, okay? It's starting to simmer. So what you're going to do, put the heat a couple notches above medium. Now this is important part. If your chickpeas were the dry type, make sure you put them on water overnight, 24 hours. Take the water out and you add them now. But because this is for can, I'm not going to add them yet. I'm not going to add the yellow squash yet, and I'm not going to add the zucchini yet, nor the cilantro. What I'm actually going to do, I'm going to cover this, and I'm going to let this cook for about 10 minutes, okay? Before I come back and add the other stuff. 10 minutes later, let me reduce the heat to medium. Oh, look at this baby. Look at this baby. So this is what I'm going to do. Chickpeas. This is about 15 ounces. And then I have 1 zucchini and 1 butter squash. The yellow squash, I'm sorry, I cut it like this. Half. And the zucchini in rounds. Going to put it on medium. And I'm going to let this go for about 8 to 10 minutes, okay? 8 or so minutes later, about 8 minutes later, 8 minutes. Look at this baby. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add the oregano. Stems and everything, doesn't matter. Just a little bit, don't go crazy. And I'm going to let this baby go for another 2 minutes, okay? A couple minutes later, turn the heat off. Look at this beauty. Oh yeah. Look at this beauty. Cup of water. And you want this water to boil, okay? Put a couple drops of extra virgin olive oil and let that water boil. You also going to need 1 cup of couscous, Moroccan style, with 1 cup of water. Let that baby boil first, okay? Water is ready to go. You can let it boil crazy, but if you see the little bubbles at the bottom, that's hot enough. Add your couscous. Going to reduce the heat to a notch above medium. Starting to bubble a little bit. Let's get it out here and let it cool down, okay? Let it cool down for about maybe 5 minutes.